I can't feel my toes. My face is frozen solid.
Keep moving, Tom. Don't stop.
The wind is cutting my skin.
Pull your scarf up tighter.
It must be 0 degrees.
Maybe colder.
The wind is blowing so hard I can't open my eyes.
Just hold my hand tight. The hotel is right there.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
No, really. Look at the lights.
Where? I only see white.
Through the fog, yellow lights.
Finally, I'm turning into ice.
Run! A warm fire waits.
The heat. Thank God.
We finally made it inside.
It feels like a different world here.
Yes, outside is the North Pole.
And inside is warm summer.
Look at that giant stone fireplace.
The fire is roaring. I can finally feel my face again. I never want to leave this building.
We don't have to. We are staying.
I need hot water right now.
Let's check in at the desk first.
Then straight to the hot spring pool. This is absolute heaven.
The steam feels amazing on my skin.
My frozen toes are finally waking up.
The water temperature is just perfect.
My muscles are melting like butter.
I feel the stress leaving my body.
I could stay in this water forever.
Me too. It is pure relaxation.
Hey, look out the window.
The angry wind has finally stopped.
It is starting to snow heavily.
Look at the size of those flakes.
They're like huge white feathers.
It looks like a magical fairy tale.
We are inside a giant snow globe.
The pine trees are all white now.
It is a stunning view from here.
Everything is so quiet and peaceful.
I am very glad we are inside, watching the cold from the heat.
It feels so safe in here.
Yes, protected from the storm.
The snow is burying the road.
Good. I don't want to drive. Let's just live in this pool.
You really love this place.
It is my new favorite spot.
Better than watching TV at home?
Much better. This is living.
I am so happy we came. Let's go out for a bit.
Are you crazy? We just got warm.
But look at that beautiful snow.
We can go play tomorrow morning. The snow will still be there.
No, fresh snow at night is special. If you really don't want to, I will go alone. I will be back in a few minutes.
You absolutely cannot go alone.
Why not? It is just the garden.
Because everything is white out there. You have 0 sense of direction. You will get lost in 5 seconds.
So you are worried about me?
Yes, I'm coming with you. Someone needs to guide you back.
You are the best husband ever. I'm so happy you are coming.
Fine. Put on your heavy coat, but only for 10 minutes.
10 minutes is plenty of time.
Time enough to turn into an icicle.
Stop complaining. Where are my boots?
Right there. Put on 2 pairs of socks.
You act like we are climbing Everest.
It feels like Everest out there.
Look at this coat. I am a marshmallow.
A very cute, fluffy marshmallow.
Do you have the room key?
Yes, if we lose it, we freeze.
You are so dramatic. Let's move.
Okay, into the freezer we go.
Follow me. I know the way.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, I have excellent direction sense.
Okay, I'm following you.
See, the garden is right here.
Sarah, this is the back door. We just walked in a circle.
Oops, everything looks the same white. Forget it. Look at the snow. I want to build a snowman.
I touched it. It's freezing.
Just a tiny one. Watch me. done. Look how cute he is. I am so happy right now.
You are smiling like a kid as long as you are happy. But now we must go in.
Okay, the hotel is that way.
Sarah, that is the dark forest.
Oh, I'm lost again.
You are hopeless. This way. Just turn around this corner.
You are my personal GPS.
Just hold my arm tight.
Let's get back to the heat.
But this GPS service is not free.
Oh, really? What is the price?
Hot cocoa with extra marshmallows.
Deal. Wait, can we bring the snowman?
Absolutely not. He stays here.
But he will be lonely outside.
He is made of snow, Sarah. He will melt inside.
Fine. Goodbye, little Frosty.
Now run. My ears are numb.
I am waddling like a penguin.
A very fast penguin. Go.
Race you to the door.
We survived the expedition. I am shaking from the cold.
Go, jump in the water.
This heat is magic. My frozen bones are thawing.
Here, I poured this for you.
Is that hot cocoa?
Yes, careful, it is hot.
You are an angel, Sarah. This tastes like pure happiness.
I admit you were right.
About what?
Inside is much better.
Exactly. Fire is better than ice.
But look at the window now.
It is a fairy tale world.
It is beautiful from here.
Yes, beautiful to look at.
But we stay in the water.
Forever. Cheers to the snow.
I'm actually glad we went.
Even though we almost froze?
Because the warmth feels stronger now.
That is a very good point, but no more adventures tonight.
Agreed. Just us and the steam.
This is the perfect winter night.
Yes, the best one ever.